Good day and have a blessed Wednesday, everyone. And then welcome to Planet Mobile Business Club. Again, my name is Marian Sheila Escreba Creo, a Planet Mobilepreneur and a founder of Beagle Striker Bicol, Tatak, Oragon. Now on this video, I will show you how I start with my new member of my team. Because this is the one question of my inquiry last night, that's why I got an idea to make a video and to share it to all of you. But first of all, when I start on this business, there's a changes in my life. I start believing myself because the truth is, if you're not believing yourself, how you can make people believing in you even on this business, no? Because meron po kasing mga tao, somebody join of the team. Sasabihin nila, yes, I won. Yes, I made it. Yes, that person entered to my team. But you don't realize that once you enroll someone, the work just was started. You need to prepare them and wanting to know what are doing. So, we'll help them and really teach them. Prepare them before they share the business. Then after that, need to ask them why they do this business. Kailangan po alam nila kung paano, bakit nila gagawin yung negosyo. Next is, what is your goal? Kailangan po alam nila kung ano yung goal nila. What do you want to your life? How much money you want? How much money you want to earn and every month? You need to have a specific goal. You need a right direction. Because if you don't have a goal, you don't have a direction into your life. Wala ka pong direction sa buhay mo if you don't have a goal, no? So that's why this is the one thing na kailangan na ipaalam natin sa new member natin kung ano yung goal niya. And bakit niya ginagawa yung negosyo. And kailangan niyang malaman what is the deepest why. Kung bakit niya po ginagawa yung negosyo. So next is action. Na action for me, kailangan po ipaintindi ko po sa kanya. Don't stay in tomorrow. You have an exact point. Move from tomorrow to right now. Be a right person right now. Kailangan po, kailangan yung gagawin natin bukas, gawin na natin ngayon. Kailangan po, bago tayo matulog, get a piece of paper and then a piece of ball pen. Isulat po natin kung ano yung mga dapat nating gawin for tomorrow para po hindi magulo. Alam mo na, pagising mo, just check it, alam mo na yung pasunod-sunod kung ano yung gagawin mo. So next is, kailangan mo pong ipaalam sa new member mo, don't invite people your business. Instead, share your product. Bakit po? Once po kasi na i-share natin sa tao yung negosyo natin, ang tanong po sa atin is, what is your business? So, sasabihin po natin, of course, networking, because that is the truth, no? So, karamihan po sa mga tao, hindi nila naiintindihan ang ibig sabihin ng networking. So, kailangan po na unahin natin na i-share sa kanila, ipakita sa kanila kung ano yung produkto natin. And then after that, they will understand the meaning of network marketing. No? Ganun lang po kasimple. And then, you need to use the product. Because if you don't use this product, honestly, I will tell you, you will not become a successful on this business. Kasi bakit po? For example, ang ginagamit mo, ang produkto natin is wings. Then, ang ginagamit mong sabon is other brand. So, paano po maniniwala sa atin ang tao once na nakita nila na ibang brand yung ginagamit mo than doon sa isineshare mo sa kanya na negosyo? So, that is the very important. use the product. Lalo na po yung mga malapit lang naman sa mga grocery store natin, sa Planet Mart natin, sa mobile stockist natin, use our own product, no? Don't use another brand. Halimbawa po, umiinom ka, kumain kayo sa isang restaurant. Ang produkto po natin is Pepsi, pero po ang in-order mong product is iba. So, paano ka po paniniwalaan nung kausap mo doon kung yung ginagamit mo is ibang produkto, no? So, that's why I told you frankly, I will tell you frankly, no? You will not become a successful on this business if you're not using your own product, no? Next is, if you seek a person, you need to understand. And one thing I conclude and advise to that is always empower your people, no? Always empower your people. Look what will do positive, and then congratulate them. Next is make them feel important, na yung maramdaman nila na mahalaga ka sa kanila. Then and then they need to know from you that you are from them, no? Kailangan maramdaman po nila yon. Because I know the more you grow is harder. But then duplicate that when your team also set a real expectation. Always people need to know this is not a quick making money scheme. Kailangan po natin na ipaalam sa kanila na hindi ito madalian na pag sumali ka ngayon, nag-enroll ka ngayon, nag-join ka ngayon, mayaman ka na bukas, milyonaryo ka na bukas. We need to work until we succeed. No? Kailangan po natin magtrabaho until na matupad natin yung mga pangarap natin. Yun ang kailangan na unang-una na ipapaalam natin sa tao. This is not a quick making money scheme, no? So, what we need to do is like this. Excuse me. People need time to grow, no? People need time to grow, to understand, to get better, to believe themselves, and then they will succeed. See? And the very important for me is a relationship. Yun ang napakahalaga sa akin. Kailangan ko, the very important for me is a relationship. Not only because of money, but how their kids, how their family, how their marriage, how their boyfriend or girlfriend, I need to involve in their lives. No? Kailangan maging parte ako ng buhay nila. That is in my own opinion, no? Then, when I start to have a team, people start to look at you like a superhero, no? And you have to do everything to them. Yun ang iniisip nila. Pero mali yun. No. You have to teach them to become an independent. You will be able to them. In the beginning, you will take care of them, of course. Then teach them to become independent. So they will become their own heroes. They don't have do things because of you. But they don't have do things of you, but they do things because of their own. Ginagawa mo ito hindi para sa iyo, kundi ginagawa mo ito para sa kanya, na maging independent siya. Now imagine, you enroll somebody, and then this person is like a new baby, no? It's just like a new baby. So when you get a baby, you were very happy. You're very happy when you get a baby. Then after that, you will tell to myself, you're very happy, you're carrying the baby. This is my new distributor. It is amazing. But what happened if you don't feed the baby? If you don't change pampers? If you don't take care the baby? If you don't take about the baby will gonna die. So, don't just enroll somebody if you abandon. It's gonna die. No? If you enroll somebody, you need to take care. Just like a baby, you need to take care, to feed them, at kailangan mong alagaan siya. So now, if you will abandon, what it will happen? It will gonna die. So the first step is to take care a baby, your new distributor. Next is like a toddler, no? Ini-example po natin ito sa isang baby, sa isang bata, kung paano natin pinalalaki yung anak natin, no? Uulitin ko po. Now, imagine you enroll somebody and then this person is like a baby. So, when you get a baby, you're happy, no? You're happy. Then, because this is your new distributor, it is amazing. But what happened if you don't feed the baby, if you don't change the pampers the baby, if you don't take a bath the baby? So what happened? The baby will gonna die. So next is, so don't just enroll someone if you abandon. Kung iiwan mo lang naman siya sa ere, don't enroll, no? Huwag kang gagawa ng bata kung hindi mo kayang buhayin. Di po ba? This is the one point. This is the one point na gusto kong malaman nyo. Huwag kang gagawa ng bata na kung alam mo na hindi mo kayang buhayin. So, our business is like this. Don't enroll someone if you will abandon them. Next is, so the first step is, take care the baby, and then this is, because this is your new distributor. Next is, toddler. Now, we are from the baby, and now the baby become toddler. So, because you feed, pinakain mo siya, inalagaan mo siya, so, the baby become toddler. Now, you, next is, like a toddler. Your distributor is like a toddler in the beginning. In the beginning, we will do a meeting with them. We will do a Zoom call with them. We need to become patient with them. When they fall and then make mistake, we need to teach. To be thoughtful, attentive, like toddler, no? They will fall and then pick it up. No? Kailangan natin na tulungan. For example, yung bata nag-aaral pa lang na lumakad. Kailangan yung bata, yung toddler is kailangan na natin na ipaalam sa kanya kung ano yung mali at kung ano yung tama. So once na nagkamali siya, kailangan natin siyang tulungan. No? This is the one point kung ano po ang ibig sabihin ng ihahambing natin yung toddler sa negosyo natin. Di po ba yung mga bata is kailangan natin na turuan kung ano yung dapat at kung ano yung mali. So that is same to our business. Kailangan din natin silang turuan kung ano yung dapat at kung ano yung mali. At kailangan po na ituro natin na sila ay magpakatotoo. Kung ano yung totoo, yun lang ang sasabihin nila. Hindi natin sila tuturuan na magsinungaling. But we need to teach them to become a thoughtful and then attentive. No? Yun po ang kailangan natin na ituro natin sa kanila. The next is 10-8. 10-8, these are like a worst, no? All of the sudden. Ito po yung pinakamahirap to become a teenage. Siguro naman kayo, di ba, may mga anak kayong mga teenage. So, alam nyo po, di ba, yun ang kahirapan pagdating doon. Pag baby pa lang, pag toddler pa lang, di po gaano. But, if they become a teenage, doon na po ang kahirapan. They are like a words all of the sudden. They are the one who invent the system, new ways, new and everything. They knew it all. Try to tell them, don't go that way. But what they will tell you? No. This is the right way. Yun pa sasabihin nila sa'yo, ito yung tama. Parang alam na nila yung ang lahat. Sa pag-iintindi nila, alam nila yung ginagawa nila. But we have our own system. No? Kailangan ituro natin sa kanila kung ano yung tama. So, sasabihin nila, lahat tayo, pare-parehas ang produkto natin. Let me tell you something, we have same product, same system. And how come people make it and some people no? The only problem is you. So if you have a distributor like a teenager, I really straight forward with them and tell, if you don't stop this and if you don't stop being negative or making more reason why you can work with it, you will lose it and regret. And that's what you need to do. No? Kailangan po natin prangkahin natin sila kung ano ang pwedeng mangyari sa kanila once na ginawa nila kung ano yung gusto nila. So, finally, one day your teenage become an adult. Finally, one day your distributor become an adult. There's gonna become a cooperative. There's become independent, leave your home like a children do, and then you will become a proud of them. Yun po yun ang mangyayari sa negosyo natin. No? Pag tinuruan natin ng maayos yung anak natin, magiging successful po sila. So, kagaya rin po sa negosyo natin, if we teach the right idea sa new member natin, sa new distributor natin, magigi po silang successful. And then, magigi po silang, what? They will become parents. They become, from teenage, they become adults. And then after that, they become parents. And then after that, they will born a baby, and then ituturo rin po niya kung ano yung tinuro natin sa kanila. So now, you will become a successful on this business, no? So, and then I have one thing na kailangan lang po nating malaman on this business is kailangan po ipaintindi natin, hindi natin madadala sa madalian. Kailangan po natin na dahan-dahanin natin yung pag-explain sa kanila kung paano nila gagawin yung negosyo. So, we need, kailangan po natin na magkaroon tayo ng, mag-attend ng training. For example, yung mga malapit po sa mga hub office natin, sa mga opisina natin, or else kung saan pong meron na business awareness presentation and then training, kailangan po na mag-attend po tayo, or else sa mga OFW, we need to watch online training and then video po na pwede nating mapanood na makakatulong sa atin para magkaroon tayo ng dagdag kaalaman. And then after that, we need to become a persistence, no? We cannot expect to be successful in this business and recruit people into nothing. If you want to be succeed, you need to live and embrace this business, even part-time, but you have to work. And then I conclude, take action, energy. So now, if you don't have energy, drink Lipuvitan. No? We have a product of Lipuvitan. So if you don't have energy, drink Lipuvitan. So now, hanggang dito na lang po. And then the last thing is the very important na may message ko po sa inyo is alamin nyo kung ano yung pinakamalalim yung why. And then kung ano yung goal nyo sa buhay. Hindi po yan, hindi yan babayaran, no? Kung baga po, mangarap man tayo, wala po yung bayad. Kaya gawin na natin yung pinakamataas natin na goal. Kasi po wala pong bayad ang mangarap. So, now, thank you. And then, God bless you all. Again, my name is Marian Sheila Escriba Crayo, and then this is a Planet Mobile Business Club. Bye!